Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today I've brought an interesting recipe for all of you and kids love it. Today we are going to make eggless chocolate cupcakes and that too without oven. It's very easy to make, so let's see the recipe. Let's see the ingredients for eggless chocolate cupcakes. Here we have all-purpose flour or maida and I have taken here 200 grams. Here is powdered sugar, 1 cup. Here is warm water, 1 cup. Here is oil, half cup, and make sure you use neutral flavor oil. The oil which doesn't have its own flavor or smell. Right now I am using sunflower oil. Here is vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Vinegar. This is the regular vinegar which we use in cooking. This is 2 teaspoons. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. This is instant coffee powder. This is optional but it adds a nice flavor to our cupcakes. Those who have seen my previous videos, they know very well that I normally bake in this aluminium vessel and I do ovenless baking. And here is a big aluminium vessel and inside I have placed one ring or stand and we are just going to preheat this vessel on medium flame for 10 minutes. Here to this cup of warm water we are going to add coffee powder and we are just going to mix it well and keep it aside. Here I have one sieve and first of all we are going to add all-purpose flour to it. Next we will be adding powdered sugar, then salt, baking soda and cocoa powder, and all of these we are just going to sift it well. We have sifted this flour very well and now we are going to keep this aside and we will mix our wet ingredients. Now here I have taken one bowl and to that I am going to add this coffee mixture, coffee and water mixture. To this now we are going to add vinegar, vanilla and oil, and we will mix this well. Here instead of oil you can also make use of melted butter, but by using oil the cupcakes remain moist for a longer time. You can see our oil, coffee water, vinegar mixture is ready. And now to this we are going to add our dry flour. We will add dry flour in batches. We have to mix and fold it gently. Just don't use the whisk. We just have to fold this flour. I have added all the flour. Our basic cupcake batter is ready. You can see the consistency. And to this, if you want, you can add chocolate chips. And I'm not going to add chocolate chips. I'm going to add this batter directly to the cupcake mold. Here I have the silicone cupcake molds, you can see here, and to that I have added the paper liners. And you can also make use of the aluminium or the metal cupcake molds. Make sure to fill it only 3/4. You can see here we have filled all the cupcake molds, and regular size I have 6 and smaller size I have 6, and here I have used this aluminium molds. And now we will just keep this for baking. You can also add few choco chips on top if you want. And the sugar quantity also in this recipe you can increase by 1/4 cup or half cup. But since we are going to frost this cupcakes after baking, I have used only 1 cup of powdered sugar. It's been 10 to 12 minutes since our vessel is heating, and gently we will just take out the lid. Be very careful as it will be hot. And now we will place our cupcakes inside the vessel. Be very careful. You can see here we have placed it inside, and now we are just going to cover it and we will bake them on low flame for 20 minutes. Make sure the flame is very low. It's been 20 minutes now. We will just open and we will check. You can see they have rised well. I'll just insert skewer in one of the cupcake and I'll just check. Still they are little wet. I feel little wet. So we will just cover the lid again and we will bake for more 10 minutes on low flame. It's been total 30 minutes now, and we will just open the lid and we will check. And again I'll just insert the skewer and I'll just show you. Our skewer has come out clean. Our cupcakes are baked perfectly and we will take them out. You can see here how nice and soft and spongy they are. Really irresistible to have them, but they are hot right now. We will just cool them and then we will serve. Right now I'm going to frost them with some buttercream, or you can also frost them with fresh cream or heavy whipping cream. Cupcakes are cooled completely and now we will just take them out. You can see they are nice, soft and spongy. You can see the bigger ones also. I am going to frost them with the chocolate buttercream which we prepared, and the recipe link is given below in the description box. Now we will also decorate the small ones. Our beautiful eggless chocolate cupcakes are ready, and we have frosted them with buttercream icing, and on top of this I'm just going to add few silver balls to make them look more beautiful. This is completely optional. Chocolate cupcakes are ready to gorge on. Just try it out, this recipe at home. It's very easy and they turn out quite well as tasty and moist. I'll just show you one, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this recipe with your family and friends. I'll just show you how moist it is. We'll just take out this wrapper. You can see how easily it has come out, and it is so soft and spongy. I'll just take one bite. Very nice. You can see how moist it is. Here you can see there are few cupcakes. These are also the same chocolate cupcakes, eggless chocolate cupcakes, and I've made them using the same measurements and almost the same ingredients. I've just added whole wheat flour instead of maida, so they are healthy, and also I've added few choco chips on top while baking.